What do you think? A little bit more? That's good. You opened your mouth for another bite.
Yeah, I'm back here. Don't worry about it.
He said I keep opening my mouth. I'm not real sure why.
Again, Mother, this is delicious.
What do you think of those? Num, num, num. That's pretty good. Here. Is that one staying? So tasty, huh?
Oh, here it comes.
Why do you keep opening your mouth? You know, only a little bit more of that.
Yeah, I'm behind the camera. Don't worry, I'm still here. Mommy picked the grossest one on purpose this time, just so you know that, baby.
No, sweet peas are so tasty, huh? Come on. Only one more bite. 2 more bites, really. Here.
Let's get away.
Your reactions are getting worse. Last bite. You can eat the rest off the spoon.
No.
Come on. We don't want this last little bit. Here, go this way. Oh, I thought she was gonna gag. Oh God! Good job. Good job. Good job. Show your pea face to the camera.
Say bye-bye. No.